Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a couple minutes to show you some information, the easiest way to access what I sent in the emails yesterday. If you did not get an email from me, please send me your email address because there's a lot of really great information in there. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google. In the search bar, you're going to type in Google Classroom. So Google Classroom. When it opens up, you're going to go down to Google Classroom again. I already have some classrooms set up in mine, so it's going to look a little bit different than yours will. But you're going to go up to that plus sign, click Join Class. Then you're going to type in our code FHNBF7E. It's not going to allow me to join in because I'm already in the class. But after you type in that code, you're going to type join. And it will allow you in there. Like I said, it's not allowing me because I'm already in it. So then you will click on the class. And you'll be able to go in. I'm not sure if yours is going to look exactly like this, but you'll be able to see the different assignments that are in there. Some different things that I have posted for all the students to work on are here. You're going to go down, like this one says number bond. We've been talking a lot about the number bonds on Math Mondays and Worksheet Wednesdays. Here's a number bond. We have made some if you have done the lesson, but there's a number bond you can print on there or trace it, or just so you know what it's supposed to look like. That one song, or the one book that we read, Five Little Monkeys, that's right here. This brings you right to the video. Jack Hartman is our favorite guy. So I found a Five Little Monkeys song from him. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. You want to make it bigger? You click on this square at the bottom, and that fills up your whole screen. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. I also, the reason I posted that Five Little Monkeys song is because I read the Five Little Monkeys book. And when I read the books, I put them all on my YouTube site. So my link for my YouTube is here too. It says right here, Miss Reese's YouTube channel. So I can click on there. This brings up my YouTube channel. I click on that. All of my lessons that I have posted on YouTube are up here for you. You can look at all of them. You can click on them. This is that monkey book that I read, and then I posted the song about it. Uh-oh. It doesn't seem to be working right now, but that's okay. Like if you look here, you can see the Five Little Monkeys. I showed a 5 tower to remind us what we were talking about with the fives. That's just not a problem with the site. I guess my computer just doesn't want to pull it up right now. So I do apologize for that. But that's my YouTube channel. I post new things on there every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with lessons for the students. So it's a great thing to have. All of these are on the Google Classroom. So you just need to log into Google Classroom and you can access everything else. I just added these two on, Learning A to Z and Study Island. Study Island is the one that I had showed you before. This just brings up how to log in. So you would have to log into it. That's going to be the student ID is the username and the password. on Study Island, I get to look and see, I can grade things if I need to. I can assess things. I can see how long the students have been on there. I can get a weekly report. I can add testing in if I think the student's ready to go up to a new level. They can earn blue ribbons. Just so much different things that they can do on there. It's really a great, great tool. I had shown you a thing for Study Island. They have math and reading on there, and the students have a math and a reading assignment posted on there. So you can go on there and check that out. And then another thing we have is learning A to Z. The kids have read this or used this to read in the classroom. So you're just going to click on it. It's going to pull it up and you're going to have to log into it again. And there's different things you can do on learning A to Z. So learning A to Z, we have RAS Plus, we have Science A to Z, and Vocabulary A to Z. So I just wanted to show you a couple of these. You log on to all of them with the same password, and I sent you those passwords. The Science A to Z, look at these cool things. If you have a printer, you can print things. I don't know if anyone can project things, but that would be cool too. But there's all different kinds of science things to do. The life cycle of a butterfly, that would be wonderful. We've seen lots and lots of butterflies around. There is the ELL edition, which has stuff in English and in Spanish. So this is a great tool to help the students remember their English words. We definitely want you to be speaking to them in Spanish at home, but this helps them to stay up to par with their English so that they're ready when school gets back in session. And then, of course, we have the part where they just read the books. And the books are really interesting books. You can find them at all different levels. But I have assignments for your students. So when they log on, it's going to take them to the assignment they should be in their own level. So when you log on to your student's page, it will take them to their own level. So that is everything that is in here that you need. We have the Learning A to Z, the Study Island, the YouTube channel. This is the link for our Zoom sessions on Tuesday afternoons. I may change that to a Google video, but for now, on Tuesday at noon, that's how you can join us for a Zoom session. Just so many things on here for you to do, and I'm just going to keep adding more and more. So if you have any issues getting onto Google Classroom, please let me know, because as you can tell, this is the place that you should be for all your students learning. So I hope that helps you out a little bit. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know.